Hello, good afternoon. This is David Soto talking to you, and today I'm excited to announce the official start of my new Telegram Premium Signal Group 2.0. Okay, I will be posting all signals using Telegram, and my new signals. Okay, my new signals are based off of my Ultimate Trend Trading System. For those of you who have been using my Ultimate Trend Trading System, if we go here and look at it, you know how powerful this is. Okay, if you trade with the trend, you win almost every time. Okay, if for example, okay, if you have a sell signal for this GBP which we have right here, okay, and we have a red histogram, and we have a red arrow, and we have red Fibonacci candles, it's an excellent time to sell. Okay, right now I'm in a sell trade. I'm waiting for it to drop, and it's retraced back up a little bit, but I know in the next few hours it's going to just drop like a rock. Okay, so that is pretty much all I need to do. So this is how I post my signals. Okay, and this new format, okay, my new format is I'm going to place buy or sell, and then I'm going to place a strike rate, which it says SR. It's a strike rate. I'm going to place a stop loss or SL, and also a take profit or TP. Okay, if you see here, for example, I have this one GBP I'm going to use for example here in this video. This is a GBP sell, SR strike rate, SL stop loss, and TP for take profit. Okay, how I determine the stop loss and take profit and strike rate is this right here. Okay, I use a Fibonacci retracement tool. Okay, now this signal came in a few hours ago. This was a while back, but I posted this when the price was up here. Okay, when this signal came in, I knew that it was getting ready to drop because this was changing from blue to red. Okay, but I did not have a red candle at that point in time. But what I did was I went ahead and clicked on Fibonacci retracement to draw this, right, and I go from the last known opposite arrow, okay, which in this case is a green, all right, to the last green arrow, and I just draw from here up to the current red arrow. All right, and these are my points. All right, you have a 0.0, 23.6, and a 38.2. The 23.6 is my strike rate. Okay, this is going to be for a pending order that you're going to place. Okay, this is a suggested entry point. You can either use a pending order, or you can just wait for the price to drop and get in around that point. And then the next level down, the 38.2 right here, is your take profit. And then the current price, the 0.0, will be your stop loss. Okay, this way you have some kind of like risk to reward ratio. Okay, your take profit will always be a little bit smaller than your stop loss. Your stop loss should be approximately double whatever your take profit is. Okay, so in this example, what I'm going to do, and this is how I do this every single day, just so you know, I will draw a horizontal line right here on the 0.0, draw a horizontal line right here on the 23.6, and then draw another horizontal line right here on the 38.2. Okay, these three prices in red are what I use for my stop loss, take profit, and strike rate. Okay, so the middle price right here will be the strike rate, and this right here take profit and stop loss. Okay, very, very simple. All right, so let's say, for example, this is definitely a strong sell. Okay, a strong downtrend forming, but let's just say that this never changed from blue to red. Okay, we had a red arrow, but this decided to keep going blue on the bottom, and the price decided to keep jumping up and up and up. All right, it does happen from time to time, but you're safe because if you use a pending order and place your pending order down here on the 23.6, it will never trip. Okay, and if you see the price that keeps jumping up and up, further and up, more and more, then all you have to do is just drag and drop each of these 3 points and bring them further up. Okay, and you can always come back and redraw your Fibonacci if you want to. Okay, and the nice thing about this strategy is that you can do all this from your cell phone. Okay, you do not have these nice fancy indicators like this on your MetaTrader mobile platform, but you can use the Fibonacci retracement, you can see just by the bare candles, okay, where the high point is, where the last low point was, like this, okay. So you can find a low point, a high point, and then draw your, use the Fibonacci retracement tool and draw your different points. Very, very easy, okay. And you can make up your own take profit if you want. You don't necessarily have to use the ones that I give you, but they're just a suggestion, okay. And they're based on what I'm seeing at this present point in time, okay. It could change. I could post a signal and then an hour later it all changed. I cannot predict the future, but this is how I'm basing my signal service on. And so far, my signals have been, probably about an 80 to 90% win rate. All right, they've been very, very successful. Okay, so I'm not going to sit here and go over all these signals, but these are the ones I posted so far today. So I'm posting around 15 to 20 signals a day. I've actually increased the amount of signals I post every day, and I will be posting signals during every trading session. Okay, that way, you're getting signals around the clock, and it does not matter what time zone you live in. All right. So with that said, this is the overview of my new signal service. If you have not joined my signal service, please contact me on Facebook. There's a link below for my personal Facebook. Also, there's a link below for my private Facebook group. If you have not joined my Facebook group, please do so. This way you can post questions or comments in my Facebook group, and myself or other trader can assist you, okay? And I will also put a link in the description for this Telegram signal group if you want to join that, okay? So with that said, let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to helping you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.